yazi ngisashaya umthandazo omncane ukuthi iZimbabwe iwine ya ukuthi iZimbabwe iwine baba mntwana wezulu hayi ngathi akangizwa mangikhuluma kanje ngcono ngikhulume ngaso isiZimbabwe Nwari makanaka makanaka manakanaka makanaka makanaka makana Nwari inotenda ngiyacela mntani iwini Zimbabwe iwini Zimbabwe mntani hayi phela singafa ngalapha laba bona abo Mamelodi Pirates hayi Nwari makanaka yawini Zimbabwe namuhla ngiyakutshela mngani wami.
Wow. Guys, ngibe stressed guys. Ngempilweni yami ngesquad. Zimbabwe again. Why does this happen to me, Bafethu? Why? Anyway, sanibonani, Dumilanga, absheni. Igama usabelo umfana kaMdluli, back again, back with another video. Let's talk about it. Bafana 3, Zimbabwe 2. Wow. 5-goal thriller, end-to-end stuff, shambles of defending. What a goal from a Zimbabwean player, number 7, Prince Dube. Set down Mbogazi like he was nobody. Lyle Foster getting his second goal. Oswinapolis with the winning goal, penalty, the one we should have gotten against Egypt, but I digress. Second place finish. Sesiyazi manje ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani kuma knockouts. Either Ivory Coast or the mighty Indomitable Lions, Cameroon. Let's talk about the game, Bafethu. Let's talk about it. Defense. I'm not happy. Uncle happy, Bafethu. I'm worried. I am super worried going into our knockouts. The defense, it's not there. The only people I trust kubo, it's Mutau, Kuliso, Nombegezile Mbogazi, TLP. Those are the two people I'm not afraid to watch. Angithukanga bengibukele bona. But ngezane Modiba, Aubrey, Jesus Christ. Nkosi yami. Yo. Aubrey Modiba, let's talk about the Aubrey Modiba first and foremost. I see a lot of people are praising him. They are giving him high remarks. No. Aubrey Modiba going backwards, defending. He will get exposed. Whoever we are playing in the knockouts, they will expose Modiba. When he's defending, he is static, robotic, sense of mind, sense of danger, Aiko. We know Modiba is not a natural left back of it. We know that. He's not a natural left back, but he's playing left back because he's been converted to a left back. The second goal is Zimbabwe. Watch, ball watching. It took ball from the center circle. The second goal is Zimbabwe, the own goal. The through ball. He's watching the ball, not watching his man. If you're not watching your man, you are watching the ball. If you're gonna watch the ball, attack the ball, make sure the ball ayindluli. But wins are Modiba. He's watching the ball, but he's not looking behind. They score the equalizer. I'm not happy with Modiba of it. Ungezane shaky. They say he had a better game than Mbogazi. Mbogazi had a bad game because he was beaten for the first goal. That's what people are saying. He had a bad game because he was beaten for the first goal. Which, wow, what a goal that was, Bafethu. Umbokazi was set down, wahlala phansi nje ngathi umfazi abayomlobola. Hayi uqediwe, bamshayile. But umbokazi and Ngezane does not work. There is no chemistry. Everyone is covering for everyone. Or should I say umbokazi is covering for Ngezane. Ngezane for me is shaky bafethu. I don't wanna lie. On the ball he's not comfortable. Remember last AFCON we were playing with Grant Kekane and Umvala. Both of them were comfortable on the ball. Okay, Grant Kekane was not that comfortable because Grant katanokuthola ibhola abheke boom Mahopa. That's what he was doing Grant Kekane. Ngezane, he's not comfortable on the ball bafethu. We will get exposed. I'm worried ngale defense bafethu. The midfield, it's not working, ne? Number 13, number 5, number 4, I mean. It's not working. That double pivot of Ustole and Umkoena, it's not working. It's not working. As soon as Abbas came in, we started to dominate. We started to see pattern of play. We started to see Amakombo la Pesenta. It's tall. Ustole bafethu is having a bad tournament for me. He is having a bad tournament. Speaking of having a bad tournament, Sipho Mbule, another one, Master Chef. Basic Tembile ule tournament, I would say. We thought we were going to do some cooking. Steak. Basic steak tina 25. Ivox ngapha. I thought we were going to do that, my G. Ufake iplata ngapha. Ufake beetroot ngapha. Ufake ama sauce ngapha. He's not doing any of that. Master Chef is not chefing. He's not doing anything. Into ayenzayo nje ngathi usebenza emayinini. He is nowhere to be seen. Ngathi usebenza emayinini, you are nowhere to be seen. Yeah man. Master Chef, the level is too high for you. If the level is too high, Hugo Boss, you know what to do. Play Mofokeng as a 10. Play Mofokeng as a 10. We will go forward more. I'm not blaming Master Chef bafethu. Maybe the level is too high for him. Maybe the level is too high. I do not know. Those are the negatives I heard about the game bafethu. Those were the negatives. The positives, Lyle Foster, one of your better games in this tournament. Your second goal in this tournament. I will praise you when it's due. Izolo, you played exceptionally well. First 2 games I was not impressed in first touch. I was not. But Izolo, you proved me wrong. You played better. Zimbabwe, I don't know. Maybe you had more time, more space when you played against Zimbabwe. Against Egypt and Angola, you couldn't trap the ball. You couldn't hold on to the ball. Against Zimbabwe, you did well. The goal, that's what I want. Grinding, hustling. Washington abekho bafethu. Akekho Washington. We should have scored 5 goals in that game, but we are not that clinical. There is no chemistry in the middle of the park. I do not know what's going on bafethu. Ngoba kuma qualifier, we were puring. We were playing like the Real Madrid yaka Zinedine Zidane. We were popping the ball, playing it. Then on top, Apolis. On top, Nkota. Goal. That's what we want. But with a tournament, I don't know if teams have figured us out, or Hugo Boss is just playing dumb. I do not know. But I'm happy with Foster. I'm happy with Muremi, but you are frustrating now. Shall I first touch out here? Una first touch. Muremi. Sometimes you've got to understand, Uti, you cannot play on the left hand side alone. Move, change, go to another, change another position, bafethu. Wena no Apolis. Ngikutshelile ukuthi umnandi ngenyawo lakho. Le ndaba yakho ukuthi kumele ukhathe in all the time. Hayi, Muremi. You know ukuthi inyawo laka right alikho mnandi. You always use your left foot. Exchangean bafethu. Confuse the opposition. Confuse them bafethu. Hugo Boss, sheesh, you got away with this one, my G. You got away with this one. Should have started a more attacking team. This thing of Stole and Mukwena is not working. It's not working. And nginekwali ngawe Hugo Boss, nginekwali ngawe. Ama substitutions owayenza. Come on, bring on Sandre Campbell. Bring on Rele Mufokeng. Youth, drive, passion. As Katali. Ama 2000. Bafake. Siyazi experience ayikho. But the unknown, do you know what the unknown does? The unknown does what we don't know. We have never seen it. Yeah, Mufokeng, we've seen it as South African fans. Sandre Campbell. Awumazi ukuthi unjani uwenzani abamazi nabo. Bring him on. Mkaye 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes. Let him show you what he can do, Sandre Campbell. That boy has a special left foot. Educated left foot. Upete inyawo laka Messi. Okay, sengiyapapa manje. But that's the truth. I've seen it. Adlalela i-Club Pro. We've seen ama goals bafethu ku-Twitter. The goals he scores, come on. Transfer ku-squad mfethu. Mfake muphe 8 minutes. Let him show you what he can do. The game finished 3-0, 3-2. Oh, I wish. The game finished 3-2. Hard work. We grinded. I am a cheater, no. Asikohlangani bafethu. 6 points out of 9, but I'm not happy. We are not like this. I just hope this is a good thing that we are not like this. Knockout stages, I hope I hope we maximize our opportunities. I'm worried in left back here, bafethu. If we are playing against Cameroon, Brian Mbeumo, Manchester United. If we are playing against Ivory Coast, Amad Diallo, Manchester United. I'm out, Bafethu. Bafana have qualified for the knockout stages. Let's hope we shock the world again. Let's shake them again. Let's shake AFCON. Let's shake them. Aspatuse. Cameroon or Ivory Coast. We will be there. Bafethu, I'm out. Thank you for the support. Please subscribe to your boy. Like the video. Comment down below. Don't be scared. Bafethu, for your support. I'm out.